What's up, guys? I want to show you how you can stop Steam from automatically updating your games. Then what you can do is basically you can set it to either update when you launch the game or to ask you. So let me just show you. So find a game that you don't want to auto update. For example, I'll just use CGX. You just right click and you press properties, then you navigate to updates. Now you'll see under the automatic updates tab, the global setting is let Steam decide when to update. But if you want to be specific for this game, you could say wait until I launch the game. That means the game will never download updates while it's not running, or whether you don't click the play button. If you want to change it for the global setting, you go to the settings, downloads tab. So I'll show you how to get there. You just click the manage downloads button over here, then you click the gear icon over here, then auto updates. You can always say only update at game launch. So this means every single game that you own now up until when you buy a new game, it will never automatically update. So it will never use any data. It will always wait for you to click update. It will inform you that the game has an update, but it won't do anything. So there we go. I hope you guys found that useful. You know what to do. If this video was helpful to you, please consider just giving it a like. That way it can help more people. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate you.